Hello everybody, Mia here today, and today I'm going to do a lot of vlog, and today's bonfire night, and so I decided to do a lot of vlog. So yeah, there's already fireworks setting off now, but yeah. And guys, if you're going somewhere to watch fireworks, hope you be careful, because fireworks are probably dangerous. Make you blow up, and we'll just set off right now. They're both annoying. It's annoying because it's ruined my video. If you're going like somewhere to the park or going somewhere where there's a fireworks display, hope you be careful, because fireworks are sometimes dangerous. You can hear fireworks now. I'll open the window and you can hear them. Oh, I've missed them now. Fireworks don't take ages to set off, but yeah. What? Right. I forgot that Ryan were coming today. Anyway, hope you have a good bonfire night, and stay safe from the fireworks, or you get hurt, you get put in hospital. And yeah, make sure you put a link in the description below, and subscribe, and put a link in the description below. So bye.